Okay guys, this is the honest review between the Beachwaver and the NuMe Automatic Curling Wand. This is the box that the Beachwaver comes in. This is the box that the NuMe Automatic Curler comes in. And it also comes with two different attachments of two smaller sizes. These are both the 1 1/4 size. I mean, the irons are very similar. Although the NuMe feels just more like quality material, made out of more quality material, and it has a couple other features that this Beachwaver does not. One, this area here kind of feels a little interesting. It feels a little kind of like cheap. This area here, I mean, the material, everything about this iron is just high quality. It comes in this like rose gold feature. It has a power button. It does have an automatic shutoff, and it does have a year-long warranty. And you know, it's pretty standard wand. It comes with a clip there, very sturdy feeling. And then you have your release here for these two other sizes. Then you have your home button. Now the home button's interesting because that's something that this does not have. It has a go button, but the go button is only to go left or right. It doesn't recenter itself. See, like this one, if you're halfway around and you press home, it'll always recenter itself, so you can have your thumb right there, which is super handy. So far this one's in the lead. The Beachwaver is nice. You can see actually the comparison between both of them is like, see how fast the automatic curling, I mean, it almost spins about 2 times faster than the Beachwaver. And so that makes a difference because I do notice that the Beachwaver is slow. And this is the professional one. So it comes with an extra long cord and also an extra long barrel. But this is also can be used as a consumer at home, as a retail item, or in the salon, because it does have a long cord just like the Beachwaver does. And I mean, it just comes with 2 extra sizes too. I do feel like they are both made out of, let's see what they're made out of actually. Are they both made out of, I know this one is, yes, they're both made out of tourmaline. This is actually 100% tourmaline, and this is ceramic tourmaline. I think this gives you a shinier curl. I think the 100% pure tourmaline gives you a shinier curl. So overall, the Beachwaver comes with no other sizes. It comes with no bag. It retails for $79.99. And this retails for, I want to say $129 originally, or I'm sorry, maybe it is $239, and now it's on sale for $179. And you can use the code MatthewMain to get an extra 10% off. Let me show you the inside of this bag here. It has 4 different compartments for 3 different sizes, and then the attachment barrel here. And then there's a little clip for the cord. So overall, I think I would spend a little bit more money, and I would get the NuMe Automatic Curling Wand over this viral Beachwaver from TikTok.